get ready with me as we go to the Christmas drive-through light show. I'm so excited. This is my first year going, and it's super cold out here in Colorado, and nobody wants to walk around and look at lights in the cold. So let's go ahead and get our makeup started. I'm going to take my cream. I'm using a lot of products on my face today because it's so dry here. And a lot of these products have anti-aging properties. I can already hear my mom. She's like, why does everybody use so many products? One's not enough these days. Next, I'm taking my green tangerine. This is the vitamin C serum. I'm also taking my 𝐥𝐢𝐧𝐤𝐬, taking this oil as well. If you do buy this oil, if you're not into scenty products, which I'm not, I don't recommend it. This is what happens when you sit on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube too much and you see people buying products and you're like, I need that. I'm also taking some Banana Boat. This is sunscreen. Ladies and gents, wear your sunscreen every single day. I get the travel size. And I just find it easier to spray on my face. And also I have my Vaseline stick. Now that my face is super moisturized, I am going to take my e.l.f. primer. This is the Power Grip Primer, one of my faves. And I put this in my troubled areas of where I'm going to get the most oily tonight. I also have my MegaGlo. This is from L'Oreal. I know you guys see that glow on my face right now, but we are gonna add some extra glow. And that product, I can still smell it. Like, it's so strong. But yeah, let me kind of like talk about my Christmas memories. My mom was a single parent. She made sure all 4 of her girls always got something for Christmas, but she always made sure like our Christmas tree was decorated. We had presents under the Christmas tree. She tried to hide them, but your girls were slick. We knew where you were hiding all of our Christmas gifts. We always had like a really good Christmas. And as I get older, I have really enjoyed decorating and decorating my office, decorating my house. Right now, I have a little baby Christmas tree, and this is more so for my guinea pigs. If you guys did not know, I have 2 guinea pigs, Alf and Arlo. Those are my babies, and I am just decorating specifically for them. I want them to have the best Christmas ever. And I didn't decorate last year. Last year I was moving and I could not find my Christmas tree. Skin is looking flawless. I've already started to bronze with my Wet n Wild stick. I put this on my forehead, my cheeks, under my chin area. Next, I'm gonna grab my Maybelline concealer. These have been my favorite concealers. I have shade 45 and 42. We're gonna start out with 45. Since 45 is kind of my shade, like my real shade, and I want to have a flawless face today, this is why we're going in with this first. Also, I forgot to add bronzer around my lips. This is how you get caught up in TikTok. Watching all the girls do this. This is shade 42. You could tell it's a little bit lighter. And these shades blend in beautifully. I have not been wearing a ton of foundation. I've literally just been doing this technique. Sorry, I was looking for my setting spray. This is the Milani setting spray. If you didn't know, it's one of my faves. It smells so good. Let's blend. And I already have my party earrings on. I think I'm gonna wear my antlers tonight. Taking my beauty sponge from Real Techniques. Has a little bit of hair on it. Leave a comment down below. What is your favorite Christmas memories? And I've also posted a video of me decorating my office. Let me tell you guys, I get everything that I decorate with, even when I'm decorating from home, from the Dollar Tree. It is so easy to decorate from the Dollar Tree because, for one, everything's $1.25, and you can get so much stuff from there. Concealer, bronzer is all blended out. I'm gonna take my Black Radiance. This is a bronzing, oh, let me cover up the mirror. A bronzing powder. I am taking my powder. We're going to put this in all the areas I've added the cream bronzer. And I've already did my baby hair, so I'm not trying to like mess that up. And then for like Christmas, my ugly sweaters come from Target. I know I saw some ugly sweaters on Amazon, but they were so expensive, especially if you're buying it last minute, you know? But they have such creative ugly sweaters on Amazon. But if you go to Target, you can pretty much find an ugly sweater. And everybody's like, your sweater's not ugly. I'm like, it's not, but you know. So we're gonna take my Milani Cream Blush. Okay, this is a stippling brush. We're gonna spray it with some setting spray. Keep forgetting I put the setting spray on me. Dip your stippling brush. What I do, I rub it into my hand because you don't want that much product going onto your face. And I add my nose. I bring my blush pretty high. Go back because everything is here. I'm usually organized. We're gonna take our Airspun baking powder. We are going to use this so we're not so oily. Because at the end of the day, I have combination 2 oily skin. And you may say, Natasha, this is a lot of setting powder. It is, but it isn't. Just wait. Trust the process, please. So once I get to my forehead, I hurry up and blend that out. And then I'm going to add my NYX brow gel because these brows are not going nowhere tonight. That was a lot of product. Also tonight, I think we're gonna go to the Pirate's house as well as the Gingerbread house. I guess there's like 2 houses in Colorado that everyone goes to each year because they really go all out with their decorations outside. I'm going to continue to bake and I'm letting my eyebrows dry. I'm gonna take my Lumi Shimmer, and this is going to be the highlight that I'm using. And of course, I cannot find the brush that I apply it with. Look at this. Oh, the button nose. I want to shimmer with the lights tonight. We're also gonna add this to the corners of my eyes. We want those eyes to sparkle, darling. We are going to take our L'Oreal. You would think I was like sponsored by L'Oreal. As many L'Oreal products that I use. This is a smoldering black eyeliner. Placing this in our waterline. And I'm tightlining. Since my hair is spiced rum, a golden brown, I've been loving just doing brown eyeliner. I think it's so beautiful. I don't think it's as harsh sometimes as black eyeliner. I also think this brown enhances brown eyes. I don't know. I just think it looks beautiful. This is the Milani eyebrow pencil. And no, I cannot talk when I do my brows. Once I have the brow the way I want it, that's when I will look for my brow gel. This is from e.l.f. in the shade, I want to say brunette. Let's curl our lashes. Ow, I pinched my skin. Okay, now we can start cleaning up what you guys have been wanting me to clean up. The setting powder. Now we're going to dust away under our eyes. I just keep looking at my antlers. I'm so excited. I use two mascaras. One is a primer, and then this mascara from Milani. If you do not have this, you must run to Target to go pick this up. The primer I'm using is from L'Oreal. Again, I have so many L'Oreal products. I am obsessed with their products. But anyways, I'm obsessed with a lot of products. So we are going to prime these eyes. And I do one eye at a time. So now that my lashes are primed, we're going to go in with the Milani. This is the highly rated lash extension mascara. Look at those lashes. That's just one coat, sweetheart. Don't listen to me. Taking my primer once again. Oh, side note, if you use this lash extension mascara, do not set your face right after. You will have a long day. Your makeup will be ruined because the extensions from this mascara will fall off and sit on your face. So I warned you, okay? Wait about 5 minutes before you spray your face. I promise you it will all work out. But don't be like me. I wish I had video of when I did this. I literally had to redo all of my eye makeup. So now let's do our lower lashes. We are ready for a bold lip since I am wearing my ears and I have my little champagne earrings. We ready, okay? I am gonna go back in with a brown lip liner. What I tight lined my eyes with, don't judge me. Don't do it. Actually, I may need to be a little closer. You don't want the line too harsh. We are going in with the staple, and this lipstick has been through some things. This is MAC Ruby Woo. I think Rihanna wore this, and I was like, yeah, I need that in my life. Again, trust the process. Now we're going to take our Maybelline. This is the Super Stay Vinyl Ink. Now we can spray our face with some setting spray. Again, I'm taking my Milani. Pat that into the skin. Oh girl, you are flawless. Okay, you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. But we need to go. We have to go see these lights, okay? Come on, come on. I'm gonna bring you along.